Genius tools are innovative and practical gadgets that aim to simplify and improve various aspects of daily life. These tools are designed to save time, effort, and resources, making life easier and more convenient for users. They can be used for a range of tasks, from household chores and DIY projects to work-related tasks, and come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and functions. Whether you're looking for a tool that can help you organize your home, increase your productivity, or make your life more enjoyable, there's a genius tool that can help. From smart home devices to kitchen gadgets and beyond, these tools offer a smarter and more efficient way to do things. In today's video, we will be showing you genius tools that will make your life easier. Without further ado, let's begin. LeBitGo Fun Hand Tools. Always have the tool for the job with the LeBitGo Fun Hand Tools. Featuring 6 bits for any job, there's more to LeBitGo than meets the eye. This modular toolset easily assembles for quick and simple storage when it's not in use. However, there's every reason to not put the LeBitGo away. In addition to its bits, the entire tool system can be used for fun. Use the junction structure and magnet inside to build any creation you can imagine. Resolute Tools X1 Compact Pocket Tool. Are you looking for a portable, lightweight knife to carry with you? The Resolute Tools X1 Compact Pocket Tool might be everything you need. Its small design means you can keep it with you on the go. Plus, it includes a pocket clip, making it highly portable and safe to carry. In fact, it features a locking mechanism when not in use. Most importantly, this compact tool lets you change blades without any additional tools. Consequently, it's great for workers searching for a no-fuss cutting method. Simply pull out the blade when you're ready to use it. Mantis and Cricut Outdoor Tools. The Mantis and Cricut Outdoor Tools are a range of handheld gardening tools designed to make gardening and outdoor maintenance tasks easier and more efficient. The Mantis and Cricut brand offers a variety of tools, including cultivators, trowels, shears, and pruners, each designed for a specific task in the garden. These tools are lightweight and ergonomically designed, making them easy to use for extended periods of time. They are also made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. Goat Tools Plier-based Modular Multi-Tool Set. Finally, there's a multi-tool you can actually customize based on your preference. The Goat Tools Plier-based Modular Multi-Tool Set is the Lego of multi-tools, letting you choose the components you want. This plier-based multi-tool is made of high-grade rust-resistant stainless steel, which makes even the plier tips highly durable. Additionally, the foldable design makes this multi-tool portable and an easy fit for your pocket. In fact, the Goat tool has also made the pommel durable enough to withstand multiple tough impacts without any of the screws or attachments rattling loose. You can even open 4 of the attachments with a one-handed action. This modular multi-tool set lets you give it your very own personal style and decide which functions you want to add to it. ANGLE-IZER Measuring Template Tool. The ANGLE-IZER Measuring Template Tool is a multi-angle measuring tool that is designed to simplify and speed up the process of measuring and marking angles and cuts. The tool is made of durable plastic and features a series of movable arms that can be positioned to form a variety of angles and shapes. The arms are marked with imperial and metric measurements, making it easy to make precise cuts and transfers to your workpiece. The compact and lightweight design of the ANGLE-IZER Measuring Template Tool makes it an ideal tool for a wide range of applications, including woodworking, metalworking, tile cutting, and more. Olsa Tools Aluminum Socket Organizers. Keep your sockets nice and tidy with the Olsa Tools Aluminum Socket Organizers with rubber end caps. It will truly save the time you spend organizing your sockets to just 5 minutes thanks to its easy handling and durable rail system. This organizer uses professional-grade anodized aluminum. Just choose between purple, black, orange, blue, yellow, and red. Moreover, you can customize it with extra clips and end caps. Additionally, these rails come as a single rail or a 3-piece kit, and they'll fit your quarts, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive sockets. The high-quality socket clips have spring-loaded ball bearings that keep your socket secure, so you can carry the rail around. It won't fall off the holder even when upside down. Digital sliding T-Bevel and Protractor in one. A digital sliding T-Bevel and Protractor in one is a combination tool that combines the features of a traditional T-Bevel and a digital protractor. A T-Bevel is a hand tool used to transfer angles from one surface to another, while a protractor is used to measure angles. This combined tool combines the best of both tools, offering the convenience and accuracy of a digital display with the versatility and durability of a T-Bevel. The digital display shows the angle measurement in real time, making it easy to read and understand, and the sliding T-Bevel design allows you to transfer angles from one surface to another. This tool is an excellent addition to any workshop or toolkit, providing a fast and convenient way to measure and transfer angles for a wide range of applications. Manicure Kit. A manicure kit is a collection of tools and products used for grooming and maintaining the appearance of nails. It typically includes items such as nail clippers, nail files, cuticle pushers, tweezers, and scissors. Some manicure kits may also include a cuticle remover, nail buffer, and other grooming tools. Manicure kits are available in a variety of sizes and styles, ranging from compact travel-size sets to large comprehensive kits that include a wide range of grooming tools and products. They are an essential item for anyone who wants to maintain healthy and well-groomed nails, and are ideal for both personal use and professional nail care services. Wrap Buddies. These clever clips attach to nearly any table, counter, or work surface to turn it into a personalized wrapping station. Like bulldog clips, each one has a lever that pops open and over the flat surface you're working with. Simply arrange one on each side of your gift wrap roll, moving the clips closer together or further apart depending on size. Each clip includes an integrated tape dispenser too. They typically attach to the inside of a cabinet or pantry door, providing a convenient and accessible storage solution for your wraps. Wrap Buddies often feature a tension rod or spring-loaded mechanism that holds your wraps in place, making it easy to dispense and cut the exact amount you need. These tools are an excellent addition to any kitchen, helping to reduce clutter and make your food preparation and storage tasks easier and more efficient. TS01 100-foot laser measure. The TS01 100-foot laser measure is a handheld device that utilizes laser technology to accurately measure distances up to 100 feet. It's a convenient tool for measuring the length, width, and height of objects, as well as determining the distance between 2 points. The laser measure is equipped with a digital display that shows the measurement in real time, making it easy to read and understand. It is also equipped with functions such as area and volume calculations, making it an ideal tool for contractors, DIY enthusiasts, making it an essential tool for any toolkit. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.